Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate cold emails with Lavender AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate cold emails with Lavender AI, then all you can do is simply go to Lavender AI. Once you're in your Lavender AI, you need to simply install the Chrome extension. After you have downloaded the Chrome extension, you need to connect your email. Then you need to use its AI coach by entering a prospect's email to get personalized icebreakers. Analyze the LinkedIn and draft emails with AI help. And best practice frameworks for tone, length, and clarity, ensuring mobile optimization and relevance to their needs. Lavender's key is combining AI with human driven research for high impact personalization, not just the generic templates. So, this is how you can generate cold emails with Lavender AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.